beautiful new window from Green Eco Solutions. I'm just thrilled. I never thought I would get a brand new window here. It's so big. The other one was so old and drafty. This is gorgeous. The craftsmanship is wonderful. The two windows open up. For the first time I have fresh air coming in the front of my house. Also got a wonderful new storm door and interior door. And oh my goodness, what a big difference this all made on my heating bill the last months of winter. And I got new windows in my bedroom and bathroom. And I am pleased with everything. A wonderful service, wonderful job, craftsmanship, quote, and very easy to deal with if you need to do financing. I hope you have a great day. Happy springtime.